So, like drawing blood, we train our students how to draw blood.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais. Let us give another round of applause to His Excellency the President. Thank you. May I request that we be seated for a while. Kindly let us take our seats as I invite the chair and the co-chair, Dr. Mercy Mwangangi, and your co-chair, to make a presentation to the President. Your Excellency, they are going to make a presentation of a gift. They are going to gift you because out of your tight schedule, you have found time to come to open this conference. Tupigie makofi Mheshimiwa Rais tena. Making the presentation on behalf of the organizing committee is the chair and the co-chair. The chair, Dr. Mercy Mwangangi, who is the CAS, and Dr. Evelyn, who is the co-chair. Let us not tire. Another round of applause as they take that photo. Thank you. Very special announcement. You'll be escorted by the protocol team, all the heads of the delegations who present, the conference committee chairs, and the AMCOA management committee, and the conference secretariat, all those committees to lead to where we are going to have a photo session. And at the same time, I've been asked to announce that lunch will be served at the main restaurant.